Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And behind the camera is my son Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey everyone.
So anyway guys, so we're here and at the supermarket, you can get these for 69 cents. It's a muffin cornbread mix, and you can make 6 muffins for 69 cents. If you get a stick of butter or even a pack of butter like those 4 Imperial, the first stick of butter, they're like $1 something, but you gotta get the non-salt because we're making muffins and it's sweet. So the first thing that we're gonna do here is put our sweet yellow cornbread mix in a bowl. And then in the back it says that you're gonna need 1 egg and half a cup of milk. That's half a cup of milk, 1 egg, stir it. And while we stir it, it also says that you have to grease a pan. It can be like an 8-inch loaf pan, or it can be a muffin pan. So I decided that I want to make, instead of the cornbread like it says here, I want to make muffins. Okay, so we're gonna make cornbread, right? Muffin cornbreads. That's what we're gonna make.
Cornbread muffins.
Cornbread muffin, yeah. Oh wow! It says here that we needed half a cup of right, of milk, and I put half a cup, but it's so like watery. Look, unless it dries out, right? Or maybe you think I put like too much milk.
No,
that's what it says
fine.
in the back. Look, what does it say in the back? It says it right there.
Half a cup of milk.
Half a cup of milk, and this is right. Half a cup of milk and 1 egg.
Yeah, so that's fine.
So I guess we have to keep on stirring, right? Until it
It's
thickens
fine.
up. Yeah, but I can't put it. It's
No, it's
like,
not supposed to be super thick, Mom.
yeah, I know.
It's
But it's still,
cornbread.
I know. But it's a little bit watery. I think that it should be like a little bit more thick, don't you think?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. So yeah, because that's what it says. It says 1 egg. We put 1 egg, you guys saw me, and half a cup of butter. Now, before I go to the next
Have a
step,
cup of milk.
half a cup of milk, yes. It says here, right there, on the red, it says you'll need half a cup of milk and 1 egg. And this says half a cup, right, Michael?
That's
Michael
right.
says that it kind of like getting thicker now as I'm doing this. But I mean, how much?
You don't want to overbeat it.
Exactly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour it, and you cannot fill them all. You can't fill them to the top. Just halfway, because that's the only way that you're gonna get 6 of these. 3, 4. Oh, you can see that? Sorry. You turn around. 5. You see, I still have a little bit, right?
Sure.
And 6. I'm gonna put a little bit more on that one. And that one. And this other one too, right, Mike?
Sure.
And then put a
Perfect.
little bit more on that one. And I think a little bit more on the one at the end. Let me just go like that with my hands. Yeah, perfect. And there you go. And now it says to put it in the oven between 17 to 22 minutes or until golden brown. Is that what it says there? Do you see it?
Yep.
Okay, so we show all our followers and our viewers that that's what it says there. So I'm gonna put these in. Like I said before, they look a little bit like too runny, but it says half a cup of milk, and that's what I did. So maybe it's supposed to be like that. So I'm gonna put them in here. And it says 12 to 22 minutes. So I'm gonna do 25 minutes because it's still a couple of degrees before it hits 400, but it's on 361. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do 25 minutes. 2500 and timer again, and I'll see you in 25 minutes, guys. So thanks for watching. That's what it says right there. 24 minutes and 54 seconds. Go ahead and like this video, okay, guys, and stay tuned. Don't go away. Okay, guys. They're gonna be a little bit thin, but they're not burned, Michael. Do they look burnt? They don't look burnt to me. So I'm gonna wait until they cool off a little bit. I'm gonna get them out, then I'm gonna try to eat a little piece of one. I might get sick. Maybe I'll make Michael taste a little piece, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go, and but we'll be right back. You'll see me cutting a piece of this and eating. Okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, so this is what they look like. Michael thought they burned. They didn't. They're a little bit brown, but they're good like that. And I'm gonna cut one. If I eat this, my stomach is gonna hurt so much. But, wow, look.
Ooh.
See the smoke coming in?
Damn.
So this is what they look like here. Take a little piece. I'm gonna eat a little tiny piece because I have to, guys.
Mom.
I know. Sorry, guys. These are delicious for 69 cents. You make yourself 6 corn muffins, and then you have a muffin tray in your house. Almost everybody has one. If you don't have one, go get yourself one. You can get them at the supermarket. That's the most expensive that they have it, like for $5. But if you go to the dollar store, you can get those other ones that you can discharge. You know, oh, they have the other ones like for $1.99, like the one that I have. So with that, I'm gonna let everybody go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Try to make these muffins in your house, and you're gonna see how much you're gonna like them. If you have kids, involve the kids in making these, because you know how kids are with sweets and muffins and cakes and stuff like that. So I love you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to donate, just scroll down to patreon.com and go ahead and donate that dollar. We're here on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. So we love you all. Thanks for watching. And we always remember, guys, don't drink and drive. These are really good, Michael.